Agar aapke new mom hain our breastfeeding ko lekar toda confused feel kar rahe hain, to op bilkul akeli nahi hain. Breastfeeding natural high. Lekin shuruat me toda challenging lag sakta high. Is video me hum baat karein breastfeeding 101, yani wo sab kuch jo har new mom ko pata hona chahiye. Baby K birth K bod sab si pela milk jo aata high, use colostrum ket hain. Ye thick aur toda yellow color ka hota hai, aur baby K liye immunity booster ka kam karta high. Chahiye quantity kam lage, lekin ye baby K liye bahut powerful hota hai. Breastfeeding me sab si important cheese hoti high correct latch. Jab baby sahi tarik se latch karta high. Tab feeding comfortable hoti high our baby ko proper milk milta high. Baby ka mouth surf nipple par nahi, balki nipple ke around ka dark area, G's areola ket hain, uskab aka hissa cover karna chahiye. Newborn babies bao frequently feed karte hain, kabi har 2 ya 3 gante me, ye bilkul normal high. Kai moms sakti hain ki shayad unka milk kam high. Lekin frequent feeding ka matlab low milk supply nahi hota. Agar baby K diapers regularly wet ho rahe hain, baby ka wait dear bod raha high, baur feed K bod baby kam lag da high, to iska matlab baby ko enough milk mil raha high. Breastfeeding K different positions hot hain j's cradle hold, football hold ya side lying position. Op jo position comfortable lage, wo choose kar sakti hain. Hamisha yad rakhin, baby ko breast ki tarif layan, breast ko baby ki tarif nahi. Is back our shoulders par strain kam hota hai. Shuruat me thodi problems ho sakti hain j's sore nipples, breast engorgement ya pain. Ye sab common issues hain our zyada tar cases me time ke Saath thik ho jate hain. Proper latch, frequent feeding aur toda sa self-care baho help karta high. Agar pain zyada ho, to lactation experts say advice lena best hota hai. Breastfeeding surf baby ke liye hai nahi, balki mom ke liye bhi bahu beneficial hota hai. Ye bonding strong karta high, postpartum recovery me help karta high, aur mom baby connection ko aur special banata high. Har mom ka breastfeeding journey alag hota hai, isli cut par pressure na daline. Apni body par trust karein aur patience rakhin,